This is Amidanshu from Beta Glide. So at Beta Glide, we have one-stop testing management solution for all the app developers right now. So I'll just give you a brief about Beta Glide. We started last year as CloudBeans. We used to be a manual app testing platform. We had a few consumers, but after talking to them, we realized that a tool is something which they need, and then we worked on to create Beta Glide, and about which we will tell you now. So currently, with lots of applications coming into the market, there's a general trend that an average application has a lifetime of only 30 days. You have to launch a new version after that. And this is the case with both free application as well as paid applications. So the development and the testing cycle has to be faster, more efficient to retain users as well as attract new users and to compete in an environment like this. And the main reason behind the major loss of customers is the performance, functional, and the UI UX issues which were not generally discovered before the launch. But with Beta Glide, you can solve these. We deal with three kinds of features testing right now. These are performance testing, functional testing, and user experience testing. In performance, we track bugs, take screenshots, and generate logs for debugging. So you can get to know what exactly are happening in the performance factor. In functionality, we measure CPU usage, memory usage, and network packet details, that how much of these factors are contributing to the user's app. And in user experience, we measure the heat map, that wherever the user touches the application, that area is recorded, and you can modify your application accordingly so as to match the needs of the end user, along with session details and session recordings. And for all of these, what a developer has to do is just upload the app to a platform. You don't need to write any line of code or include any library. You just upload the app to our platform, our server automatically injects the code and gives you a modified APK. You distribute it among your testers and use the app. Rest is managed by Beta Glide. So Beta Glide is for developers. They can test various parameters about their app. It's for UI UX experts. They can get to know about how the users are using their app. It's for the team leader, who basically they can assign the different test cases to the testing team and track the entire testing cycle. Now this will make the app testing and development phase much more efficient and much more faster. So that means you can launch an app in less number of days as compared to you are launching it right now. And ultimately it's for the product manager, because the product manager is able to get the needs of the customer and to basically develop the app accordingly. So I'll just show you a brief demo. So this is a rough session of Beta Glide. So you can see the session recordings here, the memory graph, that how a particular hike in memory was there, and the blue circle corresponding to it represents the event. The CPU usage, you can see it is increasing constantly, so something has to be done about it, so the developer knows that. And on your right hand side, you can see the different events which happened while the application was being used. And in the end, we have logs of the entire session so that the developer can debug them. And I'll just show you another session. So these are heat maps. So for example, the user touched on the red spot and these are reflected here. Logs are there and screenshots as well. So these are some features we have developed till now, and we are working on it currently on a network emulator. So basically you don't have to run around places to get a particular frequency of network. You just have to sit on a laptop and modulate the network, and the Beta Glide platform will handle everything app users according to network. Now coming to the opportunity part, currently the mobile app testing market is estimated to be around 200 million by AVI research, and it is expected to grow to 800 million. So, but the features which we are adding apart from the testing are the usability issues, and which will have a large impact, we assume, on the coming future and the coming app, because of the increasing competition and a large number of users which are basically leaving the app if it doesn't perform in a particular way. Pricing, we are basically working on a freemium model where you can test an app on a particular device free for 30 days, but if you want more devices or more application, you pay us a licensing fee. We also provide custom solutions and some add-on features such as the network emulator, which I just told you, the heat map which I told you, and we're also working on a location emulator so that you can do whatever, so that you can emulate a location on a particular application. These are milestones. Our Android beta version will be ready in August, and we have 3 beta customers with us who are ready to use our app. We'll be working on iOS version, HTML5, Windows, BlackBerry, and we'll be adding our first add-on features, and we'll also be integrating our tool to bug management software such as Bugzilla, so that you don't have to go to many places to do a testing. You just have to be on Beta Glide, and Beta Glide will do the rest. So these are the plans till December. Now coming to financials, the cost versus revenue. We're expected to break even in April 2015. So basically we require funding of $30,000 till now, and which we are planning to raise currently from TIDES, our institute. And some awards. We were among top 5 student startups in India. We have been among top 8 startups by NASCOM, and we have been featured in Hindu, NDTV, ABP, Financial Express, and so on. And team.
All right, quick question.